passes in slow motion. This footprint will last for millions of years. Gray rock everywhere. The sky is pure black, and the horizon curves just a little. The planet's that small. This is Mercury, the closest hell to the sun. Let's look around. Walking toward the sun. The ground shimmers like a mirage. 430 degrees. I didn't get it from numbers alone. The moment I step into a boulder's shadow, temperature drops 600 degrees. One step, I kick some dust. It floats way higher, way longer than on Earth. Something ahead. Looks like a line. This is the famous Terminator line. Left side, furnace. Right side, freezer. One step apart, two completely different worlds. Wait, I can do something with this. All right, experiment time. Starting with the steak. The hot side turned to charcoal in 2 seconds. The cold side froze solid like a rock. Flipped it. Both sides ruined. The burnt part froze. The frozen part burned. Same with the egg. Half exploded, half became an ice ball. Conclusion. Cooking on Mercury is impossible. Don't expect anything tasty.
Can't cook here.
This is it. The hole I saw on the map. Caloris Basin. The entire horizon is one impact crater. One hit carved all of this. They say the shockwave from here traveled through and raised mountains on the other side. This isn't a scar. It's a planet-scale wound. Experiment 1. Drop a feather and a rock at the same time. They fall at the exact same speed. No air resistance. Galileo was right. Experiment 2. Kick a small rock. Insane. It flew over a kilometer. Mercury gravity is a cheat code. Discovery. Rupees. A 3-kilometer drop right at my toes. I try something I'd never do on Earth. I can see straight down, but I don't fall. Titanic pose? No problem. On Earth, instant death. Just a small test jump. Wait. What? I'm 10 meters up. Way higher than I expected. Front flip, 360 spin, eagle pose. Plenty of hang time. Landing is just a soft tap. Dust blooms like a flower. Mercury is a trampoline planet. I thought it was a normal sunset. The sun was going down. Then it stopped. Time kept moving, but the sun didn't. My shadow froze in place. I walked. My shadow didn't follow. Something's wrong. I stepped back instinctively, and then the sun started rising again. Retrograde. For real. Second sunrise. Same place, same day. My knees buckled. What is this? I slowly stand up. I look around. Sky full of stars, endless gray plains, and my shadow facing a different direction. Time just ran backwards right in front of me. Walking into the polar shadow. A few steps and it's true night. But suddenly my foot slips. Not rock. Something perfectly smooth. I turn on my headlamp. It's all ice. This ice hasn't seen sunlight in 4 billion years. I'm standing on Mercury's hidden ocean. A time capsule from the beginning of the solar system. I hesitate before touching. Should I really do this? The instant my palm lands, frost blooms and cracks spread. Sliding makes a glass-like squeak. Tapping makes the whole sheet ring like a bell. This tiny shard holds air from 4 billion years ago. I kneel and stare into the ice. Bubbles float like frozen stars. The deeper I look, the more layers appear. It's like a galaxy frozen in glass. Stars above, stars below. I'm standing between 2 universes. After a full day, I'm back at this line. One last time. Left foot on day, right foot on night. I step off the line. I look back once. A lot happened. Time to really go. Ignition. The shuttle shakes. Lift off. Dust mushrooms upward. Low gravity, it doesn't fall back. I punch through the cloud. The flat ground rolls into a sphere. Finally looks like a whole planet. That tiny dot is Mercury. A bullet orbiting the sun. But I know now what happens on that dot. Next target, Venus. Another insane world waiting. Mercury log saved. Transfer initiated.